beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Morena Gal, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to go from this to like a nice high sleek bun, especially when you don't have time. This is gonna be really quick because I'm super late for school, but I wanted to show you guys what I was gonna do. You just need a few things. You need a spray bottle with water. If you don't have a spray bottle with water, just cup up some water from the faucet and lay it in your hair. A brush. I can't find the brush I want to use, so this is my brother's brush, but honestly any brush will do because you're not trying to make it like perfect, you know. A fine tooth comb or the little toothbrush for our edges. A scrunch. This one is so small. I was like, where's my big scrunch? But a scrunchie. And then your favorite leave-in conditioner or just a regular conditioner you can use if you want to. Just use a small amount. And then your favorite gel. Mine is Eco Styler gel. I love this stuff. I usually don't use this often anymore. I just haven't been using a lot of gel in my hair. But this is my favorite. And the very first thing you want to do is spray the perimeter of your head. So if you don't have a spray bottle, you would cup the water in your hands and just slick, slick, slick. Not to get it so wet, you just want it damp. That's why I feel like the spray bottle is the easiest way to do it, because it just gets it nice and damp and like malleable so you can actually move it. And then I almost kind of like, this is not the real bun, but I place the hair up to see. I don't even know why I do this step, but it just helps. It helps like map out what's going on. So very, very loose bun, like very loose. Next, you go in with your favorite leave-in. Mine is the Strengthen and Restore Jamaican Castor Oil from Shea Moisture. Love this stuff. I actually have a video on it, my review. I literally love the entire line. We're just coating the perimeter of the hair with the leave-in. Okay, so now that everything's all soft because of the water and the leave-in, we can put some of our gel. It's like really, really quick, really, really easy. I take about this much gel and I just rub it between my hands and put it on the perimeter again. So before I take it out of this like slack bun or whatever you want to call it, you take the brush. I do this very gently. I'm not trying to get the sleekest bun in the world. And I just, ooh. Now that I have it brushed in the way, like, I don't know, in the direction that I want the hair to be brushed, I take the loose bun out, and then I take my hands, almost like it's a scrunchie, in the back, and I go like this. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see this. You just want to grip the hair very, very well. And then what I do, I always like fluff it out a bit so I can get a nice big bun. So I have my scrunchie on my right hand. And then I just whoop. And I never tie my buns too tight. I'm not trying to like, you know, hurt my hair. What I like to do afterwards, take a little bit more gel between my hands, just a little bit. I feel like you can barely see. And just like smooth the front. Make sure everything's smooth. If you guys want a more detailed video on baby hairs, I can do that for you. But I slap on the gel. And I'm going to use, this is not the toothbrush I use to brush my teeth. I feel like you have to put that disclaimer out because people are like, ew. Today, like, I'm not trying to do the most. So I'm just doing a little some. And I like to get my little sideburns. And then back here, I just like to smooth them up So I take the brush and sometimes if the, what is this? If my baby hairs are too clumpy, I go in with the comb, but it looks fine to me. I don't like the baby hairs looking too forced, you know? Really, really easy. It's a, like, I'm not trying too hard type of bun. So this is it. This is like the polishness of the baby hairs, the smoothness of the sides, but the like texture is all in the bun, which I love. And sometimes I love to like pull out pieces, like curly pieces, and just have it like, you know, in disarray almost. Like this guy right here. And then you just take a little bit of gel and you just finesse the end a little bit. I like to just do that just a little bit. And if you want to, I used to do this, but I would take a piece out in the back. But this is just the easiest way if you don't really have time. You just swoop, shloop. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my really easy really easy bun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found out a little, you know, a little trick when you're natural and you don't have a lot of time and you just try to shloop shloop but look good and go. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you guys want me to do more like tutorials with my natural hair, because I do quite a bit of styles. Thank you guys so much for watching. Besitos. See you guys in my next one. Bye.